with you in a minute. Staring contest. It's a bit moist out, but that's okay, we have stuff to do in the garage. Let me show you the plan for today on Home Edition. Today's mission, get the Mini in this space, well, this space. If you've been watching along, you'll know I've cleared this entire wall so that my project car can sit over there, but there's still not quite enough space for the Mini in here. This bench rolls over into that space here, but these stairs are in the way. These stairs need to relocate round the corner to there. All this has to move to some magical location. Lathe needs to get moved because it's sticking too far out. Most of that is getting junked. Seems like a good day to get stuck in. So, let us begin. I'd like to say a little prayer for all the spiders and mummy and daddy and baby spiders that I've had to displace during this operation. Amen. Okay, now I need to deconstruct and then reconstruct this whole assembly, make it a little bit narrower and possibly make it diagonal and relocate this shelf over to this side somehow. So far so good. Before I can even test out the stairs, I need to move that toolbox out of the way. Back in a flash. It's not moved in a long time. More homeless spiders. Right, let's try the stairs. Pretty good. So I just need to screw them in along that wall and then build the little wall for the recycle tubs. I like it though. If you're wondering what that hole's for, it's not because the wood was too short. I did that intentionally. It's a mop holder. See? Always got a plan. I need to repurpose these beams in that shelf. Come up with something for the side of this platform. Back in a minute. Here's my drill. Right, I've trimmed this side panel down, so I should be able to just screw it all together. Right, I just need to trim the shelf and this section's done, I hope. Now, because I'm a master carpenter, there might actually be enough room for there will be enough room for my toolbox under there. I hope. Shouldn't make that noise. Do you think there's something rubbing? You know what, as much as it would be really handy having the toolbox right next to my tool bench, my workbench, kind of defies the point of creating that space. The Mini won't fit in there without it being really tight, and I'd hate to drive my wife's car into the corner of that toolbox. So I need to find a new home for the toolbox. I think it will probably go where that red shelving is. As I say, most of that's going in the junk anyway. So red tool chest there. Hopefully I'll be able to move my lathe over a little bit, and then it'll go back about 6 inches, and then I've just got my metal bender to figure out. I've got more mess now than when I started, so I'm not getting the Mini in tonight. Sorry, need to wait for the next one for that. So I'll get on with more tidying, and I'll see you on the next edition of Home Edition. I need to get a better ending phrase, that sucks. Anyway, bye for now.